Greetings everybody, this is Domingo with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be looking at Rumble in 2023. Now I've made tutorials in the past of how Rumble looked, so this is the new Rumble page right now. So it's got an entirely clean new look, organized, updated. This is the desktop website here, so I'll do a tutorial on the new mobile page in the coming days. So this is amazing how it looks here. So it's got your picks, my feed, gaming, live, news, viral. It's also the home of Power Slap. If you watch Power Slap, then you can watch it here on Rumble. Podcasts on Rumble, finance, leaderboards, sports, vlogs, science, music, entertainment, and cooking. So this is YouTube's competitor. And we're just going to show you how everything looks here and the menu items here. So if I don't go over everything, just leave it in the comments below and my next tutorial video will cover what has been missed. So we're going to go, this is the home page that you see here. And then when you are subscribed to channels on Rumble, you can also check out my channel in the link in the description below. So you can go to my feed here, and then it shows what you're subscribed to. So I'm subscribed to ScreenWatcher33, check him out, and then also the Power Slap channel. So this is the feed that you see here, where it shows gameplays, fights, whatever you want to see here, and whatever that you're subscribed to. So we'll just go ahead and go back here. So let's say you want to go to vlogs, so you just click on vlogs and it'll take you straight to the vlogs there. And then if you want to go to Power Slap, it takes you right to Power Slap. And then if you want to go cooking, it takes you right to cooking. That's really cool. Then entertainment goes right there, and then science, you can go right there, and you can go to the leaderboards. So the leaderboards are basically the competitors for Rumble, and you can earn cash as you go along here. So the higher your content is rated, the more cash you can earn through Rumbles. So they still do that system here. And I'll also make a tutorial on the mobile app in the coming days as well. So it also shows here trending. So you can click on trending on the side, and then it shows. So let's say you wanted to upload a video so that you can share it on the Rumble page. So if you click upload video, then it will take you to this menu where it will show you upload, share, and license your videos. So what you can do is you can select a file to upload here. And then I'll just upload this video. That's like a YouTube Shorts that I made. And then it shows 100% uploaded. And then you can show, you can title your video up here, Winter is Here Still. And then the video description is just snow and what is left of it. And then you can also choose your video thumbnail, or you can choose your own. So we can go and see through pictures here. So we can go through camera roll, and then let's just say that we want to pick something from our camera roll as our thumbnail. So let's just say there we just select that. And then for best results, select a thumbnail that's at least 1280 by 720 and has a pixel ratio of 16 by 9. So they wanted to make it clear. Rumble. Let's say, oh, it gives you tag suggestions. So snow. Let's just do that. And then we can upload to, you can upload to no channel. So that way it can be, you can upload either there or at your channel here, and then it's public. So we'll just go upload, and then it says here personal use. I select personal use there, and then we'll just go submit, and then it just says here you must agree to the terms. That's fine, we'll just submit that, and then that's how you upload a video. There you go. But there's a lot of creators here that make diverse content, which is really interesting. So these are the channels that I'm currently subscribed to, and you can also set it to dark mode as well, so that it's nice and dark, and light mode, and then you can just go to operating system default. So if you want to upload your first video, what you can do is you can press on the top here and then upload video or go live. So let's go try and go live for a bit to see what the requirements are. So it says here, say just to set up a live stream, go to rumble.com/live or click the set up a live stream button above. Upload a placeholder video up to 120 seconds, which will be looped before the stream starts. And then once the placeholder is uploaded, they'll give you the streamer configuration with a stream URL and a stream key, and enter it in your streaming software. To stream with Rumble, you will need streaming software. So it will require that you use RTMP, including OBS, StreamYard, Restream, and many others. So If you have OBS, you can download OBS. I'm going to get OBS later on, so it'll allow you to set a live stream. But if you're a relatively new channel, it says here live streaming is available on all paid platforms for accounts with more than 5 subscribers. Okay, so if you can reach up to 5 subscribers, then you'll be able to live stream. So they've changed the requirements. It used to be a lot more before. I think last tutorial was like 200 or 100. So that's cool. They've made changes to the requirements for live stream. So if you go and subscribe to my channel, then you can allow me to get a live streaming feature. So this is the link to my channel here. I'll put it in the description so that way if you want to help out and allow me to get it, I just need 4 more. So that way I can do the live stream tutorial, because a lot of people want to see the live stream tutorial. So if you're on Rumble, then subscribe to the channel and I'll be able to do a proper live stream tutorial for you, because I just recently updated my Rumble channel and there's new stuff there. I mean, this channel is just up for tutorial purposes. So I'm just putting it up here because a lot of people have requested that I make an updated tutorial. Just subscribe to the channel and also allow me to get 5 followers so that way I can do the proper live stream tutorial. So there you go. And from what I've seen here, let's say if you want to watch a video, let's just go to my feed here. So we're going to go and watch a video here just to start things off. So this is what a video page looks like. So if this is the Rumble link here. And then it shows the thumbnail when you start, and then it also allows the follow button, which is the subscribe button, and then you can also join for exclusive perks. And this guy has 369 followers, so he has the ability to live stream as well and make longer content. And then you can earn money during your upload, so you can earn up to 8 cents, 1 cent, however you want. And here's the thumbs up and the thumbs down section. So I like Knights of the Old Republic, so we're just going to go thumbs up right away. And then I'm going to leave I'm going to leave a comment here. Great video. I enjoy this game a lot, which I do, and I do like the game. So I'm just going to leave him a comment, and it's already got 20 views. So he's already built up a pretty good following, and mostly it's just no commentary here. So there's his intro there, and nice little bumper, and there's the gameplay. So he captured this gameplay and he's already playing it through. There's no commentary, it's just straight up gameplay as it says in the title. So that is how you make your content very reliable and not misleading in a way. So I enjoy this game. I'm just going to pause it now. So that's how you watch a video. So you can see here the eyes means how many people have viewed it, and the comment box here means how many people have commented. And you can also embed it, you can share it. So you can share it through WhatsApp, Twitter, or email. What's this? Oh, Truth Social. Okay, so that must be another social media network. So you can like it on, and you can share it. So you can like and share on Facebook, and then WhatsApp, Twitter, and then email, and then you can copy the link right here to copy it. And then to delete a comment, you just go and press delete, and then it'll ask you, are you sure? Yes or no. I'm not going to do that because I don't want to leave a comment like that. And then it says here, join my locals community for exclusive content, locals.com. Okay, that must be another site I don't know about. But anyways, watching a video, commenting, liking, deleting comments, and also sharing. Oh, to embed the video, you have to select either JavaScript or iframe, and you can embed this on a website. So if you have a website, you can embed it there and just allow it to be shown on your website if you have one. So, and then you can go editor picks to see what the Rumble editors are picking there. As you can see, there's a lot of content. And then in the settings there, it shows account overview, stats and earnings, my content, live streaming, account options, and sign out. So you can sign out there. So I'm not going to go into here because it shows my personal account information. But this is just a general look at how Rumble looks now on the desktop version. So I hope this has been helpful. If there was any questions that you had in regards to wanting to make some changes to your accounts, just leave me a comment below and I'll direct you to the videos that I have made about it already. And if I haven't made one, then I will make one. So have a great day and we'll see you next time for another video. Bye bye for now.